Hey, I want to share a little secret of mine with you. Some great exercise routines for shoulder health. Keeps my shoulders strong and it keeps them mobile. Maintain that range of motion. If you're a martial artist, especially a Southeast Asian martial artist, maybe training a lot of Filipino martial arts, we use a lot of weaponry. And that's really good for shoulder health. But we're also going to be working out today with these. These are called Indian clubs. I love these so much because if I don't have my collie sticks with me, then I can just have these with me, and they're great for the shoulder health and conditioning. Even if you're not a martial artist and you're just looking to get your shoulder health back, get that range of motion back, get rid of those shoulder pains, check these out. These can be very, very helpful for you. And you don't need anything heavy. Just 1 or 2 pound Indian clubs are going to be perfect for starting off. And if you're looking to get a pair of these, they're very inexpensive, these ones, but they're very, very durable and their balance is very good. I'll have a link in the description, first link. Go ahead and click that and it'll take you over the exact same ones that I have right here. And just grab 1 or 2 pounds. Trust me, you don't need to go heavy with these. Let's go through a little bit of a beginner workout. Just follow along with me, just a few exercises. We're just gonna do 10 reps of everything, and then you can refresh the video once you're done and go for round 2, maybe even round 3. Let's get into it. All right, first things, we're gonna go just grip the Indian clubs right down near the end, near the pommel. You can even over grip the pommel if you'd like to. All right, so either one is fine. As far as our feet go, we're gonna keep our heels together. You could have your feet completely together, or you can kind of just have your toes come out and just keep your heels together. This is gonna help to keep the core tight, keep the core engaged, so you get a little bit of core and stability workout and all that stuff in. So let's go through our first exercise. Again, we're gonna do 10 reps of everything, so just follow along. We're gonna start off with our vertical swings. We're gonna start off with our clubs nice and high, and we're gonna go half swing just like this. Okay. And then we're gonna switch it to the bottom half swing. So from the bottom up to about halfway. And then we're gonna go all the way, so from top to bottom, right there. Let's do a couple practice ones here. All right, and now we'll start counting them out. 1, 2, and now from here, we're gonna go into our side swings or our U swings. We're just gonna create a U, just like this in front of our body. Just have your breathing be pretty regular here. Inhale on one side, exhale on the other side. Let's start our count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 and 10. All right, now we're gonna go all the way around just like this. Let's do it for 10 times. Keep the spacing between your hands so you don't accidentally whack your hands on your Indian clubs. We'll call this one number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch directions. Alrighty, right there. Now let's bring our hands all the way out, just like this. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and do some arm circles going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And going backwards. All right, now we're gonna bring our hands all the way up over our heads, vertical, and arm circles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and other way. All right, now let's go ahead, bring our Indian clubs straight out in front of us, and we're gonna do our halos. We're gonna go around the head, just like this, and back, and that's 1 rep. Let's go for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 10. We're gonna work a little bit of wrist flexibility in here, some wrist mobility, and we have 2 variations. We're gonna go back to our vertical swings. Our first 5, we're gonna keep our wrists nice and close as we swing down and rotate the wrist. The second 5, we're gonna extend the hand out and then do our rotation. So let's go for it. First 5, nice and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and second 5, extend it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right there. All right. Now this last move is a traditional Indian club swing, so make sure we're paying attention here. Let's go through it first, do some practice ones. We're gonna start with the right hand. I'm gonna scoop my right hand all the way across my body to the left side. Keep it going. We're gonna bring it all the way back, opening up the shoulder. The club goes behind the head. We extend the arm up and then just let it fall. And we just wanna use the momentum of the club to keep the rotation going. Now let's go for 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Same thing on the other side. So left arm is going to scoop the club all the way up, open up the shoulder, putting the club behind the head, extend the hand, extend all the way up, and then let it drop. And again, just use the momentum here. Okay, so let's start it off. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It takes a little bit of coordination on that one. And our last move for this workout, we're gonna do the exact same thing, but we're gonna do the clubs together just like this. When you're working this one, make sure that you keep distance between the clubs. That way you don't smack clubs, or even worse, smack your hands on the clubs. All right, when you're just starting out with learning this, it might happen. I've done it once or twice. So from here, we're coming all the way across, open up those shoulders, extend it, and let it drop. Right over left, left over right. Let's start the counts right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo, right there. All right, my friend, hit the refresh on this page, replay this video for round 2, go through it, and if you're feeling good, go for a 3rd set of this workout. Again, if you need a pair of Indian clubs, I highly suggest trying these out, especially for working that shoulder health. I have a link in the description to the same pair, nice and cheap, but it's a very good quality pair of Indian clubs. Again, that's will be the first link down in the description. If you want to see more Indian club training, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Let me know down in the comments, have you trained with the Indian clubs before? And if you're new to the channel here, make sure that you are subscribed, and we'll catch you back here next time.